Hey guys, it's me Rahul, and today I'm going to show you how you can change your mouse pointer color in Windows 11. So first you want to do is go to settings, just type in settings in the start bar. Then what you have to do is go to Bluetooth and devices, then click on mouse, and from there you basically have to click on the last option, which is mouse pointer. And then what you have to do is you have to select a colored mouse style, which is called custom. So you click on that, and which will give you an yellowish mouse pointer. Okay. And here are some beautiful colors as well, which you can change to. But if you want more colors, what you could do is you can click on this plus icon over here, and then you can choose basically any color as you wish. So let's go for some orange reddish color. Click on done, and here you go. So this is how you change the mouse point color in Windows 11. Hope you guys liked it.